What's up guys, welcome back to XJ for Life. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the rear hatch struts on my 1996 Jeep Cherokee XJ. So let's get into it guys. So before we start, I want to show you my little setup here. I had the vice grips holding this up, that way it won't come crashing down. This process will be pretty similar for the 84 through 96 Jeep Cherokee XJs and slightly different for the 97 through 01 XJs. So starting off, I already did this with the new struts, but there's these little clips that you have to just pull out, that way they can pop on. So I already pulled them out. You just use a little flat blade screwdriver to move them out of the way, and see, like that. And that's what allows you to snap it on, and then it locks it in place. So let me show you how to take off the original struts. So to take off the original struts, they have these little metal clips, and you just unclip them with your hand or a flat blade screwdriver, and you just pull them out, and that's what they look like. And then to get the strut off, you just yank it pretty hard and it pops off. And then on the top, they have the clips. I already took it off the top, but then you're just gonna pull it off, and that's how you get the original struts off. Okay, so now that we got that off, I just wanted to clean these off a little bit, get off the old grease. So just take a little paper towel, get off the old grease. Same with the top one. Just get off the old grease like that. And now it's ready for the new ones. Okay, we have the new strut here. Sorry, I'm doing all this one-handed, so it's a bit tricky. All you're gonna do is just stick it up there on the ball, and then you're gonna slide the clip back over, and it's gonna lock itself in place like that. And then now we're gonna do the same, pretty much the same thing on the other end, and then on the other side, and it should be good to go. So I'll show you them when they are done. So guys, we got the hatch struts all installed. It was a little bit of a pain. I'd say if you're gonna do this job, I'd recommend having 2 people or an extra person to help you, because it's definitely a struggle to get the second one on. But once you get them on, they're good. These ones are super stiff, so it's a bit hard to close the hatch now. And then when you open it, it flies open, but I mean, now it opens. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, it really helps out the channel, and I will see you guys next time.